Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are sharing quite a few tracing worksheets which we do for our daughter who is 3 years old. These all worksheets are handmade and can be made by anyone. And these work for age group 3 to 4 year olds. The first would be a simple standing line exercise. The second is a mixture of all, that is sleepings and curvy lines. The next worksheet is slanting lines. And the next one would be the zigzag and the up-down lines. In the first worksheet, we look at all the shapes and trace them. The next one is spiral lines. Then we move on to big shape tracing. The next one is an interesting one, is follow the path. And the last one would be name tracing. So first we started with a simple standing line exercise. So before kids start to write letters and numbers, they need to do tracing activities and learn how to draw straight lines, curves and slanting lines, etc. This will help them in writing the alphabets and numbers, as both alphabets and numbers can be broken down into straight lines, slanting lines and curves. The next worksheet is a mixture of many lines, that is sleeping lines, curvy lines, zigzag lines. These worksheets will help our kids in mastering the tracing of lines and curves so that it will be easier for them to transition to proper writing. The next worksheet is about slanting lines, that is dot to dot slanting lines. She has to connect one dot to another and make a slanting line. My daughter has been showing a real interest in forming shapes, numbers and letters recently. I never have expectations or pressure her to form these things, as I think at this stage it is all about her simply exploring and experimenting and being exposed to these concepts. A few days back she started asking me how do I make 8, or by saying that I want to draw circles. This is when I came up with these worksheets. The next worksheet is about the zigzag lines and the up-down lines. Practicing to trace these lines will help her control her hand while writing. This takes time and all kids develop these skills at different times and rates. There is no rushing child to write, but these activities definitely lay the foundation. Did you know that before a child learns to form letters, he should master pre-writing strokes? Once our kids are comfortable with these strokes, handwriting would be easy. That is why tracing lines is a pre-writing activity, so it's best to make it as fun as possible because it will motivate our kids for writing. The next worksheet is all about shapes and tracing them. For this, I made sure that she connects dot to dot and make the lines instead of just tracing the shapes without the control of her hand. She loved this worksheet, so she carefully traced the shapes and all the strokes, speaking about them as she did so. Using the wipe then to carefully remove the marks was just as useful for her fine motor and pre-writing skills. Tracing helps develop our kids' fine motor skills, improves their hand and eye coordination, and refines their muscles and concentration. It is one of the many learning activities that is beneficial and fun. It also improves their visual motor integration. It means being able to process visual information and produce a movement in response. That is, copying the pre-writing pattern or letter formation. The next worksheet is about spiral tracing. For this worksheet, I've just drawn some spiral lines and asked my daughter to use her finger to trace them as well as the marker. Tracing the spiral lines with hands is also good for their visual therapy. The next worksheet is follow the path. In this, she did not have to trace the lines but draw the lines in between the path that I have drawn for her. This worksheet is also great for hand control because they have to follow the path and not go outside the path that's given to them. These worksheets make tracing fun and engaging while also targeting fine motor skills and visual skills. They provide a developmental progression. The next worksheet is called the big shape tracing. In this worksheet, I made a fish and using the curved strokes and made water using the up and down strokes. It would be great if we give them markers or crayons for these worksheets in the beginning and later transition to pencil for the same worksheets. Ideally, kids shouldn't be asked to write with pencils until they are 3 years old. We would definitely recommend that beginning writers use dark colored markers instead of pencil. A marker writes much smoother and has a less drag than a pencil. And the last worksheet would be name tracing. Name tracing is so important for our little kids. Our name is one of our most important things about us. It's where we start to learn letters, usually the first thing we write. This worksheet was so important for me, for my daughter to do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep smiling.